Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking you through the Bitgo website. So first, click sign up. Then enter the details that will tell you. Once you've done that, click sign up. It will say we've sent you a confirmation email. Go to your Gmail. You'll get an email like this. So click here to verify. Then it will come to this page. So that means you are signed up. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go to the Weird Queens website to find more information. Have a great day.